All right, here's what the plan of action for today is. I got my 3D printer, but I have no idea what I want to print. I'm sure that sounds familiar. So I'm over here in Bamboo Labs, Makerworld, and I'm going to find something that looks cool. Maybe it's useful or just maybe ridiculous. But whatever I choose, we're going to print it. All right, so I'm in Makerworld already, and I've done a search for pool. We have a above ground pool out back, and I thought maybe we could print something for the pool. So I was skimming through here, and there's some neat things, some beverage holders, which I could probably use, some tools for your pool, skimmers, little waterfalls, stuff like that. I don't really want that. I'm looking for a toy. So I found this balloon catamaran. Sounds pretty interesting, right? Um, but I think that's our winner. And let's click on it, look at the details. All right, this is by JP Studio. It's got a nice little video here of it in action. Looks pretty neat, actually. That's the kind of pool I have, so this should work perfect. Let's scroll through some pictures here. Yeah, this looks like something we could try out. I'll be printing on the A1, so we're looking at almost 3 hours. Looks like almost 2,000 people have this in their collection. 753 have given it a thumbs up, and it has 814 downloads. That is only in about a week. It says here it came on and 8/10/2026, so August 10th. Not bad. Not bad. So let's send it on over to Bamboo Studio. All right. Looks like he's going to print standing up. That way it doesn't have a lot of supports. It might not even print with any supports. Let's sync to my filaments. I'm going to print it in orange, but this is just for an example here. Let's slice, see what it says. All right, about 2.5 hours. Not bad. Not bad. Let's see if I was to enable support, what it will do. It's got a little support. I think I'm going to print it with supports. So we're looking at 2 hours and 39 minutes. All right. So let's get printing. All right, we're going to give this little balloon powered catamaran a go. I've tried it once already off camera with this balloon, this pink balloon. We'll do this pink balloon again. So it's got a little centerpiece that you pull out, blow the balloon up. Then I kind of kink the balloon so I can put it in here. It's got a hole on top and then a hole out the back. Cover my finger over the hole out the back. Set it down in the water and let her rip. Oh, look at her go. Look at her go. It's coming back to me. All right. That didn't do a whole lot. Let's switch balloons. See what we can do. This is one of them funky balloons that you like make balloon animals out of. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it on the little stem thingy here. Good Lord. Oh, here we go. All right, let's blow it up. Holy moly. I'll pass out. All right. Let's see what this bad boy does. I think it's got some more pressure, though. Well, wah, wah, wah. I don't know. Maybe if I had a smaller balloon, might work better. Try this again with the other balloon. The first one I had. I feel like this one's not getting tight enough seal around this orange plug. All right, here we go. I mean, it works. The weight of the balloon, I think, is hindering it in this case. All right, I'm back with a different balloon this time. It's a little smaller than the very first one that I used. Hopefully this works better. If I can get the balloon to stand straight up, I think it'll work a lot better. All right, yeah, I think this one's gonna work better. Here we go. Oh yeah, look at her go. Look at her go. Well, I'd say that wasn't a success. If you like this video and want to see more stuff like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I'm just getting started. It'll help.